Hi, I'm Jo from JH Leather.
I'm Will Hodges.
And in this video we're bringing you something a bit different, and to explain that, here is Will.
So a couple of months ago I approached Jo with a bit of a challenge. I wanted to see what she would come up with if I told her to make a wallet. Sounds simple, but you can look at a bunch of different wallets, all have the same brief and they'll look completely different, so I wanted to see what Jo would come up with. So once I set the challenge out to Jo, I set out to destroy her. So here is my build. And to see Jo's wallet, I'll put a link in my description and you guys can go and check hers out and enjoy. So we're now going to have a closer look, and Joe's going to walk you through how she made hers.
So I went sort of a bit different for my design. Basically, the description that we went down was having a wallet, a bifold wallet that had 6 card slots and then 2 extra pockets and a sort of bit for cash. And so I've actually done mine a little bit different to other sort of standard bifold wallets. So I've gone down the route of doing it so it's a bit of an inverse wallet. And I also thought it would be a fun idea and challenge to do some sort of turned edges as well. So all of the edges in my wallet are turned edges. So that was quite a challenge to do because, like I said, I haven't actually done that before. So yeah, that was quite interesting to do. And there are a few things in it that I think I would like to change, having the experience of now doing it already. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I used a greased pigskin for my wallet because I really love the texture of the pigskin. Yeah.
It looks great. So for mine, I used 2 materials that I have used before, but I wanted to do them in a rather wild colour combination, which is not something I'm normally known for. This one is made of purple French goat from Auran, and it's backed with a green shell cordovan for the cash slot. It's all painted edges and overstitched for durability. It's a material that, like I've said, I have used before, but I just thought it'd be really wacky to do green and purple. So yeah.
Yeah, the green and purple do look really good together, to be fair. It is really good, and especially with the purple stitching on the green.
Yeah.
It does make it stand out quite a lot.
Instead of doing green stitching on the outside, so it would disappear into the back, and then having green stitching inside, obviously, I decided to go with the purple stitching, because then you get a little bit of a taste of the madness that is within.
Yeah, it does look really good.
So for a chance to win my outrageously overbuilt and crazy looking wallet, it is beautiful, I must admit, even though I do say so myself. Leave a comment in the description box below, and make sure you've subscribed to the channel, and a winner will be picked at random in a week. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can help it grow and not miss any of the upcoming stuff that I've got planned, and have a good day.